foamy. So that's the horse shelter, right at the top of the hill where you'd think it'd be driest. Funnily enough, it is driest up there, but there's still water that comes onto there from the orchard. All this grassland is based on, is it sandstone?
Yeah.
So the water kind of slides between the sandstone and the soil. So whatever nutrients we've got is going that way. Right, and now this lake that has never been so deep, so full, and so well, it's just amazing. And we've still got a week of water to come out of the sky.